Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video from Natcom Store. I'm thrilled to have you here as we delve into the world of laptops and discover some awesome tips and tricks on how to extend the life of your laptop battery. So grab your notepads and get ready to power up. Are you tired of your laptop battery running out of juice too quickly? Well, worry no more. In this video, we've got you covered with practical tips and tricks that will keep your laptop battery going strong. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a casual user, these strategies will help you optimize your laptop's battery performance and give you more power for longer periods. So let's jump right in and discover how to make the most out of your laptop battery. Understand your laptop battery. To effectively extend the life of your laptop battery, it's important to know how it works. Laptop batteries are typically lithium-ion or lithium-ion or lithium polymer-based and have a limited number of charge cycles. But don't worry, we'll guide you through some practical tips to make the most of each charge. Optimize your power settings. One of the simplest ways to make your laptop battery last longer is by optimizing your power settings. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Here's what you can do. Adjust screen brightness. Lowering your screen brightness can save a ton of battery power. Plus, it's easier on the eyes too. So find that sweet spot of brightness that's comfortable for you. Use Power Saver mode. Activate the Power Saver mode on your laptop, and it'll automatically adjust various settings to optimize battery usage. It's like having a battery superhero on your side. Manage background apps and processes. We all have those sneaky apps running in the background, hogging battery power. Let's take control and reclaim that power. Close unnecessary applications. Say goodbye to unnecessary apps that are sapping your battery life. Close them down when you're not using them and watch your battery meter rise. Disable startup programs. Those sneaky startup programs can drain your battery even before you start using your laptop. Disable them to minimize background processes and optimize battery performance. Utilize battery-saving features. Did you know your laptop comes with built-in features to save battery life? It's like having your own battery guardian angel. Hibernate or sleep mode. When you're not using your laptop, let it take a power nap. Hibernate or sleep mode saves battery power and lets you quickly resume where you left off. Battery optimization software. Consider using battery optimization software to get even more control over your battery usage. These nifty tools provide insights and recommendations to maximize your battery life. Power up, my friend. Adjust Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Your laptop's wireless features can be battery-hungry monsters. Tame them with these tips. Turn off Wi-Fi when not needed. If you're not browsing the web or using the internet, turn off Wi-Fi to save precious battery power. Your laptop will thank you. Disable Bluetooth. Bluetooth is awesome, but it's also a battery drainer when you're not using it. Flip that switch off and enjoy extra battery life. Reduce keyboard and mouse backlighting. Backlighting adds a cool touch to your laptop, but it can also suck up battery life faster than you think. Dial it down or turn it off to conserve power and keep shining. Keep your laptop cool. Heat is the enemy of battery life, my friends. Let's keep things cool and prolong that battery performance. Use a laptop cooling pad. Invest in a laptop cooling pad to improve airflow and prevent overheating. Your laptop will stay cool and your battery will thank you with extended life. Avoid blocking vents. Make sure your laptop's vents are clear and unobstructed. No papers or fabrics blocking the airflow. Keep it ventilated for optimal battery performance. Regularly update your operating system and drivers. Updates aren't just for bug fixes. They can also improve battery efficiency. Stay up to date with the latest software updates for a happier battery. Use a lightweight browser. Surfing the web can be a battery drain, but fear not. Switch to lightweight browsers like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, equipped with power-saving extensions. Your battery will thank you for the reduced workload. Enable battery health management. If you're a MacBook user, you're in luck. Enable the battery health management feature in MacOS to optimize your charging patterns and extend your battery's lifespan. Your MacBook will love you for it. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's battery power. Use battery monitoring tools to keep an eye on your battery's health and performance. They provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your usage. And there you have it, folks. These tips and tricks are sure to give your laptop battery the boost it deserves. But wait, before you go, don't forget to check out Natcom Store for a wide range of laptop batteries and trending products. It's your go-to destination for all things tech and more.